Good morning mga kabilyard. Welcome to Sports Hub reaction and commentary videos. For today's reaction video, pag-usapan natin tong thrilling match ni Efren Reyes versus kay Mika Immonen noong 2002 International Challenge of Champion. Ang mananalo dito ay makakakuha ng $50,000 US dollars. Ang ating pambato ay si Efren Reyes at siya yung International Billiard Tournament Champion noong 2001 at meron siyang 6 na world title sa panahon na yan. At ang makakalaban naman dito ni Efren Reyes walang iba kundi si Mika Immonen. Siya yung naging WPA World 9-Ball Champion noong 2001. So parehong may kanya-kanyang title at parehong may kanya-kanyang galing. Ang set natin meron itong dalawang set at kada isang set ay may race to 5. Alternate breaking rule ang kanilang pinapatupad dito at pwedeng ma-foul sa lahat ng bola. So yan yung ating rule na susundin dyan sa tournament na yan. Kakaibang rule. Si Efren Reyes ang nanalo sa lag dito sa first set, rack 1. Pumasok yung 1 ball doon sa side pocket. Mayroong available shot si Efren Reyes dito sa ball number 2 sa side pocket.
You're exactly right, Mitch. He broke the balls and made the 1 ball on the side. Notice the cue ball and the 2 ball in the center of the table together. He'll be popping the 2 ball in that corner. And here's the 3 ball. So that's what he's going to play position on. And that's what he's concerned about right now. This is not an easy position shot. He's going to take an extension here.
Nag-call dito ng extension si Reyes at kailangan niyang sipatin ng mabuti yung kanyang ball setup and ball positioning para dito sa ball number 3.
The place that Efren is in right now, of knowing that this is the tough shot for him in terms of this rack, doing something smart, not want to get off to a bad start. Mika Immonen playing extremely well, as is Efren Reyes.
And he's taking a little extra tough shot on the 3 ball just to make sure he has a shot on it.
Pumasok yung dos at nakakuha siya ng magandang position sa tres. Pasok din yung tres. Maganda yung naging pina ni Efren Reyes doon. At ito, aiming ball sa ball number 4. Mahusay yung kanyang control doon sa bola. Next object is 5. Ganun pa rin, medyo matipid talaga yung tira ni Efren Reyes dito. Ginagawa niyang basic yung tira. Sumobra ng konti yung tira doon ni Reyes at mukhang mahirap itong papasokin ngayon. So tingnan natin kung mapasok ni Reyes doon sa corner pocket or pwede siyang mag-bank shot. So nag-play safe si Reyes at ito tinago niya dito sa likuran ng 8 and 9 ball.
That's for sure, Mitch, because anything can happen here. Now that he's going to kick at the 7, he could actually kick behind. What he's going to do is come behind here and kick the 7 ball and try to kick it the side or the corner. And possibly making the 8 ball on the side. Let's see what happens. See how hard he hits it.
And a tough shot for Mika Immonen to come to the table right off the bat for him. Good hit there.
Great shot.
Nag-try ng kick shot sa side pocket si Mika pero hindi pumasok. Kaya ito, open ang table ulit kay Reyes. Aiming siya dito sa ball number 6. Pasok yung size at maganda ang takbo ng bola para dito sa ball number 8.
It's like he said, all right, well, I got out of line on one, but I'm not going to do it again. He leans over that beautiful Olhausen table, the official table sponsor, the International Challenge of Champions Olhausen, the best in billiards, featuring AccuFast cushions and Efren Reyes of Manila in the Philippines.
Pasok ang 9 ball, 1-0 ang score natin dito.
Has to be an unbelievable feeling.
Si Mika Imonen ang magbe-break sa rack number 2.
It's real nice to win the 50, but it's very lonely to lose it.
Well, I have something that I will read to you as the match goes on.
Dry break ang ginawa dito ni Mika at walang pumasok. So open ang 1 ball dito kay Reyes.
And that's going to play a big part in this match. The break will be very, very important, Alan.
Efren has a nice shot on the 1 ball. It's a long shot, but it's a shot he figures to punt. And he missed it.
Sumablay si Reyes at mukhang
No. Yes, he did.
naplok ni Reyes. Naplok ni Reyes yung 1 ball dito sa ibaba ng corner pocket. So sinuswerte talaga si Reyes dito.
That's how you win tournaments, Mitch. You have to be a little lucky also.
Well, and he has won more than his share.
Pasok ang
worldwide
2 at
since
maganda
starting
ang
in
ball
1994.
position niya dito sa 3.
You said to me that he is, as far as you're concerned, with all, and you have played pretty much everybody who's played in the last 20, 30 years.
Yes.
You said he is the best player that you played against and the smartest player you played.
That's without a doubt. I would say for sure. Especially in all the games. What he's done here is, I think this $50,000 is on a little bit of everybody's mind right here because he's a little out of line and he's left himself a long, kind of a thin cut shot on the 4. He's going to bring the cue ball 2 rails back to the center of the table.
Napakahusay nung cut na yun ni Reyes kahit merong nakaharang na bola. At maganda pa rin ang ball positioning niya dito sa object ball.
Well, just when you think he's lost a little bit of it, then he just does that.
Well, you know what's interesting?
Pasok ang 5.
Brought over Philippine players. I brought over
Kinaliwa ni Reyes itong ball number 6.
smart style. If you want to learn the game, watch the Philippine players play.
You'll see that a
Eksakto
lot.
pa rin ang tira ni Reyes at nakaposisyon dito sa ball number 7. So last 3 ball ito at maganda ang posisyon. Mukhang makaka-score ulit dito si Reyes sa rack number 2.
Challenge of champions, take your best shot with Viking. As he drifts down for the 8 and the 9, this would be the first 2 racks and off to a very quick start for Mr. Reyes. Thing is, Mika Imonen didn't make a ball on the break. He did not
Last ball para sa
get
rack number 2.
Efren is on and he's making a couple balls on the break.
Pasok ang 9 at umabante ng 2 puntos si Reyes dito. 2-0 ang score sa set 1.
Pressure right now.
Si Reyes ang nag-break at may pumasok doon sa side pocket.
Starting to mount. You'll feel it
Open
so
ang
far.
1 kaya may tira pa rin si Reyes dito sa rack number 3.
Well, it's very fortunate for Mika because the 2 and the 3 are tied up. There's the cue ball and they're tied up, so he's going to probably play a bank shot on the 2. And he's not
Nakuha
off the
pang
five.
i-kick ni Reyes yun no, na bank shot niya at pinakagat niya, pinakarga niya. Swerte talaga si Reyes sa
How they roll in
larong
front,
yan,
right,
sa match na yan.
there's another bank shot.
At
He's gonna
nakakakuha siya ng mga ganong klaseng fluke. Yun, medyo okay na yun. Talagang
just keeps on
bank
out.
shot ni Reyes yun sa side pocket.
Efren got here in this very tough
Maganda ang
format.
posisyon niya dito sa
Champion
dos.
around the world by defeating Niels Fien, 2001 Netherlands 9-ball champion, and then defeating Xiaolang Feng of Taiwan 2-0. Their semifinal match looking very strong all the way.
Open ang
Nothing has
5.
deterred him so far. He knows how to play for big money, Alan. We talked about it before. He really rises when there's a lot on the line.
Light pool too. You're going to see a nice 6-ball where he's going to drift the cue ball over to the side rail and play the 7-ball in the same pocket. Excellent cue ball.
Napakahusay talaga sa ball control nitong si Efren Bata Reyes. Last 2 balls, pasok ang 7. Nakatutok ng 8 dito sa corner pocket.
It's torture, Mitch. And you have to sit there and watch your opponent run out.
Parang na-review yung kanina.
But wait your turn.
Mukhang eksakto rin ito para sa
Okay. In other words, he's used to this.
pasok ang 9. 3-0 ang score natin dito sa set number 1.
It's the 12th annual International Challenge of Champions, the longest running continuous billiard show in history. There's a reason for it. Great players, $50,000 winner take all prize money. You bet
Medyo
people like watching.
inalat si Reyes dyan sa break na yan sa rack number 4. Open ang table para dito kay Mika Imonen.
Here's the cue ball. He's going to pocket the 1 ball in the corner pocket. And the 2 two ball is downtown. That's his concern about where to get with the cue ball. He's looking right now because here's the two ball. So he needs to come somewhere near where his hand is right now for the two ball. There it comes the cue ball back over. Is it too hard?
Pasok ang uno at medyo sumobra ng konti sa tira, no, sa lakas si Mika at nagkaroon ng harang dito sa dos.
Look at this, maybe in the side.
Nagawan pa rin ang paraan ni Mika, no, two rail kick shot at naipasok niya doon sa side pocket. So gumanda at umayos ang tira dito ni Mika Immonen. Long shot para sa tres, pasok pa rin.
Well, there's a nice shot right there.
Merong momentum si Mika dito at focus na focus dito sa kanyang mga tinitira.
And all of a sudden,
Match just turned around.
you're down 3-0, get one back. If he can just finish this rack off and get it back to 2-3, and then he would have the break to try to even the match. So when you've got players of this caliber, Alan, we talk about this all the time, anything can happen.
Especially with $50,000 on the line.
Maganda ang pinapakita dito ni Mika at maayos ang kanyang ball positioning.
First prize and,
Maging sa ball control, magaling ang tira dito ni Mika Immonen.
Just drift the cue ball down table for the 8 ball. He'll bring the ball down in this area here for the 8 ball.
Last two ball ni Mika at maganda ang position dito sa 8.
Playing great shape.
Pasok, advance tayo ng one rack dito kaya 3-1. Ito, nagdagdag pa si Mika Immonen. 3-2 na ang score natin, guys. At nag-skip tayo ng isang rack kanina dahil naka-break pasok si ano. At sinundan pa ng isang break ni Mika at pumasok yung 9 kaya all 3 ang score natin dito sa set number 1, race to 5. Si Efren Reyes naman ang nag-break, may pumasok doon sa corner pocket.
Unless he tries to break him open with the 1, cutting the 1 ball in the corner, coming down table and trying to break open the 2-7 maybe. And here it comes.
Mahusay yung cut ni Reyes doon sa tira na yun at na-break niya ng konti itong cluster ball.
Boy, you talk about a great position shot. Hits the 7 perfect to leave a shot on the 2 ball. Watch what he does with the cue ball here. He's probably going to double kiss the 7. Try to come. Okay, he ended up going forward with the cue ball, and that's going to be a tough layout here for the 3-4. Notice the 3 and the 4 right here. Here's the cue ball. He's going to try to hit the 3 into the 4 ball.
So pwedeng ikarumbola ni Reyes ito or mag-bang shot siya.
These are the shots that I like watching on more than any other. Because when it's a little bit tough, I'm interested to see what he's
Nakarom ni Reyes yung
Here comes the 4 ball.
ball number 5 at may ball position pa siya dito sa object ball.
A cut shot on the 4 ball. Cut the 4 ball on the side. Bring the cue ball around. 3 rails out to the center for the 5.
So spotting si Reyes dito sa side pocket sa 4 para makakuha ng ball position sa 5.
down that far, he's got the corner pocket.
Did he hit this hard enough? Hit this too easy. Hit it too
Eksaktong-eksakto
easy.
lumabas doon
A little
sa
bit harder, he needed it.
ball number 8 or nagkulang yung kanyang tira kaya humarang ng konti. Humarang ng konti yung 8 kaya medyo hirap si Reyes dito sa pag-shoot sa ball number 5.
No, I don't think he can. Now here's the 5 ball. He can hit the 5. He can play it over here. But it looks like I can't tell. That's one option if he can hit it.
He was not happy.
No, he's not happy.
Not
because
happy.
One more inch. He's going to bank this ball, I think. He can hit it. He's going to bank this cross corner. Oh, he could make it. Oh, wow, Mitch. Now, I couldn't tell he could see that unless he played a little masse.
Yeah, you know what? You see him walking around scratching his head, and you're going, well, he can't make it, or else he just...
Wow, I mean, from here it looks like he had no shot at it. Excellent shot by Efren Reyes.
That's the beauty of Efren, though. He just doesn't... He really doesn't tell you a whole lot. Now he's going to have to tell us something, though.
Yeah, he has to keep doing tricks, the magician.
Man.
Oh, here's a nice shot. He's going to bank the 8 ball cross side. He's going to keep the cue ball behind the 9. Keep an eye on the cue ball here. The cue ball will be behind the 9 ball if he misses it. There. Oh,
Sumablay si Reyes doon sa kick na yun, no, sa bank shot niya sa 8 at back to table si Mika.
Mika was up
Ang score natin dyan ay 3 all.
$50,000 quickly.
Aiming si Mika Immonen dito sa 8. Pasok ang 8 at maganda ang posisyon dito sa ball number 9.
No, it wasn't.
He'll take it. This would be for 4 racks in a row for Mika Immonen after Efren Reyes took the first 3. And it puts Mika
Pasok ang 9 at 4-3 ang score natin dito. Bibreak si Mika sa last rack para sa set number 1.
People who know the game. These players do know the game. You mentioned they filter in from all over New England to get down here and see it. We're glad you
Tatlong bola ang pumasok dito sa break ni Mika Immonen at open itong table sa kanyang advantage.
He made 3 balls on the break. He's got the 2 ball, which is very important, right with the cue ball where he can make it, and the 3 ball's not far away either. If he brings the cue ball to the center of the table, he should be able to run out this rack.
Well, the key, this is pretty tricky to get on the 3, isn't it? Because he has to shoot the 3 in the same corner that he's making the 2, doesn't he?
Yeah, if he can keep the cue ball in the center of the table, it'd be okay. But you're right, it is kind of tricky. It's a speed control shot. You know, it's hard to tell from Terry the angles up here. It's it's a lot different up there than down there.
He might try to run into the 3 at almost like what he's trying to do.
And that was the tricky part of it.
It really was.
Yeah.
I mean, now he's got a tough cut, but these guys, they usually don't make it because they have young guys that have eyes.
25 years ago, this was a hanger, right, Terry? Now-
Aiming sa ball number 3 si Mika.
It's a great shot. Oh,
Pumasok
he made
at
it.
maganda ang takbo ng cue ball dito sa ball number 5.
Now I
That
think
was a great shot.
it was, and this is just a straight follow. I would say he'll just he'll go to the short rail and then back across the table for the 6. It's not a difficult shot at all.
You think he'll come up between 9 and 6 or stay on the bottom?
Well, I think he would come up between them, but he didn't. He stayed below it.
Make sure, yeah. I was wondering if he would do that.
Eksaktong-eksakto itong ball positioning ni Mika dito sa 6. Konting saltik lang ito para makaposition siya dito sa ball number 8.
Mika Immonen has done just that. Terry, you have created for people with the
Mahusay talaga itong si Mika Immonen at ito mukhang isa side pocket niya itong 8 para tumakbo yung bola sa kabila.
being able to watch players like this obviously helps too, but being able to play is what you're
Well, I would say
Exacto,
probably one of the
exacto.
greatest membership benefits of being in the American Pool Players Association is to be able to take advantage of the handicapping system that equalizes play for players of all abilities. So I urge everyone to go to the internet. That's poolplayers.com.
Pasok ang 9 at panalo si Mika Immonen dito sa set number 1. So unang puntos ni Mika dito sa 2 sets na ito at mukhang abante na si Mika Immonen dito sa set number 1. So isang set na lang ito. Kapag manalo pa dito si Mika Immonen, panalo siya sa match. Pero kung manalo dito si Efren Reyes, magkakaroon ng tiebreak na isang rack. So si Mika Immonen ang magbe-break dito sa set number 2, rack 1.
Mika Immonen does not only work hard on his game in a pool room, works out a lot, is very physically fit, knows that he has to train mentally and physically to stay on top. He has done just that. Getting better every year he has been playing. And a big,
May pumasok na
powerful break,
3,
unfortunately, with all the rest of
4
those
na
balls,
bola, no? Ang lupit nun. Kaya lang
3 on the break and the cue
mukhang
ball.
na foul dito
That's
si
a wild ball in hand.
Mika Immonen
Talk
at
about working out.
ball in hand kay Reyes, kasama pala yung cue ball doon.
The other day, Corey Gould and Mika went to go work
Pasok
out.
yung object ball at ito mukhang maganda ang ball position para dito kay The Magician.
That didn't happen before.
Well, it does help. Does help your game.
I thought I was going to hear you say the words, in my day.
No, it's nice to be in shape. And it does help your pool game. People think that you don't have to be in shape to play pool, and you do have to be in excellent shape.
Well, Mika talked about stamina, and notice that this particular format, as well as other formats, you have to play multiple matches, and you better be in shape.
Aiming sa ball number
Stay
6.
there. If you look at nothing else, in the way the players' bodies are every time they get over a
Pasok
shot,
ang 6 at maganda ang ball position dito sa 8.
Exactly right. That's why working out helps.
All right, Efren working his way around the table. What a big, big break for him.
Eksaktong-eksakto ang ball position ni Reyes dito sa ball number 1 sa rack 1. Pasok ang 9 pero hindi tinawag ni Efren Bata Reyes yung 9 ball sa corner pocket kaya na-foul doon si Reyes. So ilalagay doon sa spot ang 9 at babalik sa table si Mika Immonen para ipasok ang 9. Sayang yung tira na yun ni Reyes at mukhang ma-steal pa ito ni Mika Immonen. Pasok ang 9 so na-steal nga ni Mika Immonen. All-1 ang score natin dito at mukhang very disappointing ang tira na yun ni Efren Reyes sa rack number 2. So nag-abante tayo ng isang rack doon kaya nagtabla ang score. At makita natin dito si Mika Immonen naman ang magbe-break sa rack number 3 dito sa set number 2. Abante ulit tayo ng isang rack. Panalo kanina si Mika Immonen at 2-1 ang score natin. Si Mika pa rin ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 4. May pumasok na naman na bola at maganda ang break ni Mika dito. 4 ang pumasok, no, at may cluster ball sa gitna. Combination dito sa 9 ball at mukhang maganda ang break na yun ni Mika Immonen. Eksaktong-eksakto dito sa combination or 1 ball combination dito sa 9. Kumalog, no, unfortunately kumalog ang 9 at hindi makapaniwala dito si Mika Immonen. Dapat i-score na siya dyan pero kumalog yung 9. Kaya back to table si Reyes at may pag-asa siyang makatabla dito sa score natin 2-1 favor ni Mika Immonen. Combination, pasok.
This is what I meant. Never count anybody out of a set.
Well, what a turn of events, Mitch. I mean, that 3-9 was on.
So hindi talaga makapaniwala doon si Mika sa 1 ball combination na hindi pumasok. Ito, bumabawi si Efren Reyes at maganda yung pagkaka-break sa 9. Binigyan ng tira, no, binigyan ng space itong 6 ball para maipasok ni Reyes.
So he's going to play the 6 ball in the corner and bring the 2 ball around 2 rails to the 7 ball.
Well, a lot going on right now. And it's what you expect to happen as it gets closer toward the end of this match, one way or the other. It starts getting very interesting. This much money is at stake.
Pasok ang 8 at ito last ball para sa rack number 4. Tinuro ni Reyes, muntik lang makalimutan na naman. Pasok ang 9, tabla ang score natin dito, 2-all. Muntik pang makalimutan ni Reyes yung pagturo sa 9, no? Ito, bibreak dito si Reyes sa rack number 5. Dito sa set number 2. Maganda ang break dito ni Reyes at 4 na bola, no, ang pumasok. Kaya lang na pumasok din ang 9 ball sa larong ito at hindi niya na-call ang 9 ball kaya back to table ang 9 ball. Bank shot si Reyes, ayun, nagmintis at mukhang handa, no, open table para dito kay Mika Immonen. So nakatutok na sa butas itong dalawa, 2 and 3 ball.
Nice opportunity now for Mika.
This is back and forth now.
It's very exciting, I'll tell you.
And one great thing about, we've talked about this before, Alan, one great thing about this format is you can lose that first set. You still have the second set to get back into it. You do not get blown out just because you lost the first set. That's exactly what we're seeing here.
That's what's so unique about it. exciting format.
You can feel it building in here right now.
Aiming si Mika dito sa 5.
Just come off a
Pasok
right
at
out
maganda
inside
ang
seven.
ball position niya.
And we may see all three balls go in the same pocket, 7, 8, and 9.
That's a nice thing, isn't it? You have a lot of work to do.
Yeah, like a little one pocket.
Yeah. I know you like one pocket.
Oh, yes. But he's straight in on the 7, so he'll probably just stop right there and throw it back a little bit, not much. And he'll play the 8 in the same pocket, move the cue ball over to the other side of the table for the 9 in the same pocket.
Spotting dito si Mika sa 8
This stage, every shot.
at naipasok ni Mika Immonen. Maganda ang ball position. Itinuro niya ang
Next to that pocket,
object
this for Mika
packet.
Immonen would be for a 3-2 lead.
Pasok at panalo dito si Mika. 3-2 ang score.
Consecutive
Sa rack
rounds
number
into that
2,
set.
si Mika pa rin ang magbe-break sa rack number 6 dito sa set number 2.
And he has been crushing this break, Alan.
Yes, he has. He goes awfully hard. He's made 3 ball on the break. And, oh,
Maganda
boy.
pa rin itong break ni Mika at may pumasok na 2 bola sa kanyang break.
He made 2 balls on the
Score
break.
natin dito guys, 3-2. Mukhang 2 rack na lang at makukuha na ni Mika Immonen itong title.
Somewhere for the 2 ball. He has to be very careful here.
Pero hindi pa nawawala ng pag-asa itong ating pambato na si Efren Bata Reyes. Bagamat nakauna na si Mika Immonen dito sa set number 1.
Corner pocket. Here it comes, perfect. Get to the rail and have an angle to get up. And well, I'll tell you, he has been playing well.
It's great.
It's a big game.
That was great. This is a swing game right here, Alan.
Well, you see the 5 and 6 along the rail. The ball's right here. He's going to have a problem. It could have a problem.
Pasok ang 2 at
Okay.
mukhang sumubra ng konti yung kanyang backspin doon.
It's not
At nagawan pa rin niya ng paraan para dito sa next object ball.
He shook his head a little. Looked down at the 5 and 6.
So here it comes
He
right
knows.
here. He's
Yep.
going to have to play the cue ball now. He's going to play the 5 ball in the corner pocket, in the cue ball. He'll play the 5 here. I think he's going to bring the cue ball back over this way. Or come 1, 2 rails like this. I believe he may draw the ball.
5 sa corner pocket
Oh,
at binigay ng 9 doon sa side pocket ang cue ball kaya na-scratch si Mika at na-foul. Ball in hand naman kay Efren Bata Reyes. Ito chance ni Reyes na makabawi dito sa set na ito at makatabla dito sa score.
But he shoots his lefty, Mitch. Oh, look at this.
8 to 9 combination dito sa corner pocket at tinuro ni Reyes kung saan papasok.
And this time he says no. Now did he call this?
I don't know, did he? I think he did. Oh, no.
Pasok doon at
Win this game. $50,000
abante ng isa si Mika Immonen.
He's told me during the break, Efren Reyes amazingly is only 3 games away from $50,000.
4-3 ang score natin dyan kaya si Mika Immonen ang magbe-break sa last rack.
with the break and on the hill.
Here's what it comes down to right here. Watch out for the cue ball. Look at here. He has to come with a shot, I think. The 3 ball comes over to the
2 bola,
and
3 bola ang pumasok sa break na yun. No? Ang maganda pa ang ball position dito ni Mika Immonen sa break na yan.
4 ball together. Here's the cue ball. So Efren may have gotten a break. He may play the combination here, the 3 into the 4 and try to make the 4 in the corner. And that's what he's looking at right now. If he makes this, Mitch, it's going to be all over.
Showtime.
Yeah, and this is not an easy shot.
We saw him come with one in the game previous.
Wow, he
Mahusay yung combination na yun at pumasok. No? Ang ganda nung tira ni Mika Immonen na yun. At ito nga, next object ball niya medyo nakadikit dito sa rail at pwedeng ibang shot or mag-play safe dito si Mika Immonen.
Or he could just try to bank the 3 and become very offensive. But I think he's going to try to play the safe, move the cue ball over maybe behind the 6 or just bring the 3 ball down table. This is very important. He'll take a
Takes his
timeout.
time out.
This could be the whole match right here.
Yeah, but you know what? We have alternated racks now for the last 5 racks. And I have no clue what's going to happen now.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Sometimes you get a feel for it, but right now I have no idea.
There's nothing wrong with that right there. Efren has
Ang
to come
score
with a
natin
shot.
dito sa set number 2 ay 4-3 in favor of Mika Immonen. Last rack ito ni Mika at pwede siyang manalo dito sa championship match na ito. Ngunit hindi pa nawawala ng pag-asa si Reyes. Ayun, nag-bank shot doon si Reyes at napakaganda ng bank shot na yun. Nabuhayan ang mga audience sa bank shot na yun ni Reyes at nakakuha siya ng magandang ball position dito sa ball number 5. Pasok ang 5 at nakaposition siya ngayon dito sa ball number 6. So mukhang kukuha ng tabla dito si Reyes sa set number 2 at tingnan natin kung magawa niya ito ng paraan.
Won't take any. Oh, he drew the ball back. Okay, doesn't want to take any chances. Not being on the 7. So I think he's a little pumped up. I'll tell you the truth.
He is, but I'm just wondering. Let's see if he calls it. The crowd's gonna start
Pasok ang 8 at tinuro ni Reyes yung
No doubt about that
object
one.
packet
And this is what we've been waiting for.
para ipasok ang 9 ball. Tumabla si Reyes dito sa ating set 2. All 4 ang score. Parehong last
World champion.
rack ni Reyes at ni Mika Immonen. Si Reyes ang nasa table. Pasok ang
He made the
dalawa, tatlong bola.
Oh boy.
Look where the three
Tatlong bola ang pumasok dito sa break ni Reyes.
The 1 and the 2 ball and the 4 ball. The 3 ball is hanging in the corner pocket. Here's the cue ball. The position for the 5 ball is not going to be easy. By far. And he may elect to play for the combination if he makes a 3 to 3-7 combination, which will probably be easier to do. Let's see what he elects to do. This is a very careful he has to do here. Okay, he's
Maganda ang
elected to play
pasok
5-7.
nung object ball niya at
He did anyway,
Well,
but
he's not-
mahina
he's not
ng
wanted down
konti
there either.
pero itatry pa rin i-combine ni Reyes itong 5 and 7 ball doon sa corner pocket.
The thing is holding the cue ball there from the 5 ball. This is not easy.
No, that's why he wants more downhill,
Yeah.
right?
Yes,
So he could have an easier time doing that.
you are correct, Nick. But I think he's going to, under the circumstances, with $50,000 and stuff, I tell you, this is
Tumawag ng extension si Reyes dahil gusto niyang makita at ma-posisyon ang kanyang pagtira. Pasok yung 7 sa corner at mukhang rigid ng konti ang ball position niya dito sa 5.
he's got to cut the 5 in that.
So kailangan pinahin ni Reyes ito at makaposisyon doon sa ball number
He's gotta watch
6
out. The reason he's pulling
sa
the sleeve
ibaba.
on his sweater up is because if that sleeve touches the 9 ball that
It's
it's
a
hanging
foul.
over, it is a foul, and trust me, it would be over then.
Nagawan pa rin ng paraan ni Reyes yun, napina niya at ito ang ganda ng ball position sa 6.
Ice water in those veins.
He made it look like a hanger, but to tell you the truth.
First the combination, and then that slice on the 5, 6, and the 8.
Pasok ang 6, last 2 ball ni Reyes dito sa last rack
I'm not going to say anything.
para dito sa set number 2.
Oh boy.
This is so exciting. He's got to get. You may see the cue ball travel a little bit here from tonight. Watch out for the side
Pinaikot
pocket.
ni Reyes at mukhang sumobra ang kanyang tira, masyadong malakas. Umangat ang cue ball at mukhang disappointed dito si Reyes sa tira niya, masyadong malakas.
That was too
So ito ang gagawin ni Reyes, kailangan niyang ibang shot or itin cut itong 9 ball sa corner, tinuro niya sa corner. So ititin cut ni Reyes ito.
Okay, this is either for a tie and sudden death.
Napakahusay nitong tin cut ni Reyes at pumasok ang 9. So panalo si Reyes dito sa set number 2, tabla na ngayon. Si Mika Immonen naman panalo sa set number 1. So magta-tie break tayo dito sa final rack.
Okay, let's set it up. This is
So mag-challenge sila sa lag. Nag-congratulations para sa final rack.
This is it.
Tiebreaker ito mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. At ito nga nag-lag sila dito at mukhang mahina itong kay Reyes. Ang layo ng distansya nila at panalo sa lag itong si Mika Immonen at siya ang magbe-break sa final rack.
Getting a look at a product that has become a fixture in championship pool, the Sardo Tight Rack, only rack with repeatable precision. He knows what this is all about. He's been in this situation before. He knows he has no control over what's about to happen on this first shot. All he wants is a chance to get back to the table. Mika Immonen, on the other hand, hoping to make something happen and stay at the table. He's done it before in this match. Now he's in a position to win $50,000.
Si Mika ang magbe-break sa final rack. This is a tie-break match. Tie-break
Challenge of champions.
rack. Sino ang manalo dito, siya ang makakakuha ng $50,000 at makakakuha siya ng trophy at title na Champion of Champions.
Well, Mitch, actually, he has a nice layout. He can
May
get
pumasok
this
doon sa
one ball.
break
Here's
ni
the
Mika
ball.
Immonen
He's got a nice
at
opportunity here.
merong konting sight dito sa ball number 1,
Is right here. That could be the only
pero kailangan niyang i-break itong cluster ball dito sa ball number 2. So tingnan natin kung makayanan ito ni Mika Immonen.
one game, you can't make a mistake. And he had perfect speed to come out toward the center of the table.
May opening dito si Mika Immonen.
7 balls away. $50,000. Okay, he does not want to be
Pasok
straight.
ang dos at naka-position siya dito sa 3.
And he knows it.
That could be a problem. Now you see,
Naka-cluster ball pa rin itong ball number 4 and 7, kaya kailangan niyang i-break ito.
And the 5 ball's in a good position where if he gets straight on the corner, it'd be okay. And you have to be
Napakahusay nung tira na yun. Last 4 ball ni Mika Immonen dito sa last rock and final rock nila. Maganda ang ball position niya. Last 5 balls. At mukhang ipapasok ni Mika sa side pocket itong 4. Sumunod ang 8. Ayun, naharangan pa ng 8 itong tira ni Mika Immonen sa ball number 5. Masaklap na tira at hindi napagplanuhan ni Mika Immonen yun. Hindi niya nakita. At ito nga ang pangyayari. Mukhang magkikick shot dito si Mika at kakailanganin niyang papasukin sa corner pocket itong 5. Sablay si Mika at open ang 5 ball dito kay Efren Reyes. Very disappointed si Mika Immonen dito.
What you want. As I said before,
So malungkot na bumalik sa table at nagdadabog si Mika Immonen doon sa tira na yon. 4 balls away siya para sa championship pero napabayaan yun ni Mika Immonen at ito naipasok ni Reyes yung 5 ball at nakaposition siya dito sa ball number 6. Last 3 ball, naku po, eksaktong-eksakto na ito kay Efren Bata Reyes. Pasok ang 6, 7 at ito nga last 2 ball, 8 at 9 na lang para sa final rack. Pasok, 1 ball away na lang si Reyes sa championship at itinuro niya doon sa corner pocket itong 9.
Reyes is pointing to the final 9. That is worth.
Pasok ang 9 at champion si Efren Bata Reyes dito sa 2002 International Challenge of Champions at makakatanggap siya ng $50,000. Kinongratulate siya ni Bustamante at ito bibigay sa kanya yung trophy bilang Champion of Champions at yung cheque na nagkakahalaga ng $50,000. Congratulations Efren Reyes and
If you want to see Efren
see you
Reyes
on our next video.
very big smile, he will do so. He loves holding that up. He is about to love even more holding this up. Mr. Paul Munich, the Vice President of Sports and Entertainment for the Mohegan Sun, a check for $50,000 to Efren Reyes as our champion of champions. It has been a phenomenal event.